Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Afro Kitchen. So today we are making our Thursday dinner. Here we have our potatoes, which I'm going to do chips. I have my colorful vegetables. As you can see, I'm going to roast it. Sorry. And also onion, tomatoes, carrot, and kidney. That kidney is already been marinated. It has all the ingredients. I've put some roiko, paprika, salt, black pepper, and also some roiko cube. I like a roiko cube for the chicken to make it tasty. So this is the salt I'm using for my veggies. So guys, come along with me as I make my dinner. This my veggies is ready. I've put the spice, the roasting spice that I always use, and some black pepper. So I'm done. I'm going to put it here. Yeah, so keep watching. So here we are, guys, adding some oil to make my kidney, because the kidney already is oily, or it has some oil or fat. I'm not putting too much oil. I'm also fast. This kidney already has garlic, so I'm not putting any garlic here. So let it tomatoes. The aroma is so nice, guys. So then after that, I'll add in our shredded or grated carrots and let them cool together. The next, guys, my feet on my kidney is ready, but I need some soup, so I add some warm water for it to just to simmer a little bit with this warm water. Then I take it off the fire. So here is the potatoes, which I need to put some salt. So I have this one here, and then also I have this one, guys. This one here is the best. When I use this and this, I don't need to put salt because they're already salty. Show you guys how I sprinkle it. You don't need to, because the potato has no salt, so I can put. So guys, here our sauce is ready, and I've garnished it already. Make it look good for our dinner. So I'm going to serve it in a bowl. Guys, our dinner is ready. As you guys can see, we have our rice, we have our colorful veggies, our kidney, and our chips is ready. So I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. Thank you for liking. Thank you for leaving a comment. Thank you also for sharing. If you are new here, my name is Afro Kitchen. I do cook. That's my work. I do cook. So look at this, guys. I just want to invite you guys for our today dinner. This is what we are having. You are welcome to enjoy this dinner with us. Love you. God bless you. Keep watching. Keep helping my channel to grow. I love you guys all. Bye.